Okay, the question is, at what temperature will the RMS speed of oxygen molecules become just sufficient for escaping from Earth's atmosphere? So the mass of oxygen molecule M is given to as 2.76 10 raised to a minus 26 kgs, and the Boltzmann's constant, that is Kb, is given to as 1.38 into 10 raised to a minus 23 joules kilo inverse. So these are the four options. We have to find out the correct answer. So now here the V escape is equals to 11.2 kilometers per second. RMS is under root of 3 kt by m. So like we'll be doing under root of 3 kt by m is equals to 11200. So after solving this, we'll be getting a t as 8.360 into 10 raised to power 4 k. So this is the answer that we'll be getting. That is basically option number 4.